Again, a top edge chance for the catch. Bowler underneath, caught and bowled. One more wicket loss. Back-to-back wickets. So no good ways coming for the team. The team which has scored about 70 runs in the first match. They hold on to just 10 runs after the completion of 2.5 deliveries. This is an exceptional bowling performance from the Vidwar boys. The bowlers are up in the mark with 2.5 deliveries completed. They've got 2 wickets and they've managed to stop the batters to take a big scores. They're just under double figure, 10 on the board. So 13 more legal deliveries. The hero of the previous match. Still no one is moving to the centre. The left-handed. So hat-trick ball for Kirtan. So will this be a first hat-trick? I'm going to see Novel is the batsman to face Kirtan. Going for the reverse. Switch it. It's not well executed. And just 2 runs coming from the over. 3 overs completed. The first power play completed with 6 runs. After that, 2 overs were bowled. Just 2 runs equally given from the bowlers. So 3 overs completed, 10 on the board, lost for 2 wickets. So Safwan and will continue the batting performance with the partnership. Let's see what will be the final target. So they have to cross on for above 40 to set a good target, as they have even they have the good bowlers, so they can manage to stop that above 40 runs. It's better. This time Safwan coming to the charge. Look at that. He has got that confidence. 6 runs coming from the bat of Safwan. Great pace of batting. That was a low short pitch delivery. He's banged into the deep. And 6 runs coming from that first delivery. The scoreboard is on 1 and 16. Starting with the ban. Biggie. So after that heaty weather, we are now just recovering up. So 5 more balls left in the over, 11 more balls left in the innings. Safwan and Noble are the 2 partners who have scored good runs in the previous match, and they are doing the best this time. A good comeback with the line and length.
Jappu, same ball miss ayyindu nokku. Same ball. First one ikkanda.
Shabir. All this time, Filters Yokel in delivery. Not possible to connect. Another dotted delivery. Good comeback after that big sixer. Managed to tie up with the dotted deliveries. Continuing his dotted. Is bowling his 2nd over of the quota. 4th over of the innings. This time not well connected. 3 fielders underneath. But Again, the ball is landing safely. Just a single, cross on for the single. With that single, the scoreboard moves on to 1 and 7, 17 for the loss of 2 wickets. 2 more to complete the 4th over. Over number 4 in progress. 5 overs match. The 2 winners are playing as 4 teams in the pool. The winners and winners, the losers and losers will be played. Shabir for the 5th time in the over. Shabir to Novel, trying to go for the across of the line. Not well. Just a single pushing on the scorecard with 18 for the loss of 2. Last ball of the over. Coming for the last time. Coming right arm over the wicket for the final time of the over. Safwan again low for toss. Not giving the room to the batsman to take that big shots. Just managed to keep the strike in the final over. Mr. Safwan keeping the strike in the final over. The scoreboard for the completion of 4 overs, 19 for the loss of 2 wickets.
Football boys, we already won. We are the KCL champions, Karnataka champions, and we are the champions. And we are the A7 Trophy champions in the last 2 years. And we completed 2 years. Because we started the team, and we completed 2 years now. In these 2 years, we are.
So Vidwar boys, if you're saying Vidwar boys, we are seeing this Vidwar boys for the last 2 years. One of the teams in UAE who has got KCL champions, who have been Yaksha champions, and who have been A7 champions. So good team which is participating in this tournament. They have been the winners in the first match, and they are facing Sandiza, and they have managed to put down the team after 4 overs for 19 runs. The good score. New bowler bowling the final over. Sarfraz Chafu. Sarfraz to Safwan. Oh, this time coming huge appeal, but is safely landed. It's a good throw by the keeper. So final over in progress. The low seamer. Sarfraz. Taking just 2 to 3 steps, and this time Novel coming to slower ball, which is not able to take the timing of the batsmen. They're going for big shots because they're having low score. They have to get 2 to 3 sixes in this over, but they're trying their best. But what a throw again. It's a direct throw from Shiva. The second direct hit, but this time he has got the man. So Novel have to depart. So the new batsman replacing Novel is Ase, the captain of the side. Will be joining for the final 3 deliveries. Now he's having that responsibility of 3 deliveries. He have to get some big shots to make some changes in the scorecard. If he managed to take that 3 big sixes in the final 3 balls, definitely they're going to keep the target of 40 runs. But let's see. Till now the bowlers are up in the mark. So now 4th delivery in progress. Sarfraz again setting the field for Asir.
Ready?
This time again the beautiful delivery. Again the dotted delivery. A lot of dotted deliveries in the innings. So this is what the capable of Vidwar boys bowlers. Just a single. That is bat taken from the batsman Ashir. So he'll be coming up to the mark with a single. With that single, the bowler have to bowl the final ball, and the batsman is facing the final ball. The opener Safwan. Safwan facing the final ball. And this time he has connected. This time he has connected with that big sixer. The match is ending up with the first innings. First innings coming to an end with 28 runs. 29 will be the target out of 30 legal deliveries. The low score match now, which we have seen in this ground. The 2 matches were above 70. The same team which has scored 72 in the first match, they're scoring the lowest score of 28 runs. 29 will be the target. So 30 deliveries, 29 is the target for Vidwar boys. So game of cricket, which is known as the unpredictable game. We can't predict the match until the final ball of the over, final ball of the innings. So let's see. So most of the low score match will be the high voltage match, because the open batsmen are having that free-minded. They will not go for that big shots. They'll just they'll having the mindset of dealing with the singles and doubles. So that one thing which makes more most of the times match get high voltage. At the end of the time getting more crucials. So let's see. So Vidwar bowlers have done an exceptional job with their 4 overs. They've given 28 runs. The first over was for 6 runs, the power play, and the second and the third over was for just 2 runs. That means 4 runs coming from that 2 overs, 10 runs for 3 overs completion. After that, the third over, which got bit expense runs coming from that over, and the final over ending up with that big sixer from Safwan, ending up with 28 runs for the loss of 3 wickets. So 29 is the target out of 30 legal deliveries. So Team Sindhus are now setting the fielders. So Vidwar boys are opening with the bat. So 29 is a target out of 30 legal deliveries. So 30 balls, 29 runs.
नेक्स्ट मैच कौन सा? नेक्स्ट मैच लूजर
ब्लिस और इनका दुनिया. So main hello. So next match will be played against the Bliss Point versus Dunia Brothers. I request both the captains please report to the mic desk for the tossing ceremony. I request both the captains of Bliss Point and Dunia Brothers. As we are completed with the first innings, I request the captains to please come up and do the tossing for the next match. I request both the captains please come and join the two teams which has was their first match. So they will face, and the loser will be eliminated from this league, and the winner will be facing the loser of this match.
ಹಾಗೆಲ್ಲ ಇದರ ಲೂಸರ್ ಮತ್ತು ಅದರ ವಿನ್ನರ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲ
ಅವಾಗ ಎರಡು ಲೂಸರ್ಸ್ ಇದರ
ಅಲ್ಲ
ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಮ್ಯಾಚ್ನ ವಿನ್ನರ್ಸ್
ಹಾಂ ಇದರಿಂದ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಫೈನಲ್ ಸೆಮಿಗೆ ಅದು ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು ಎಂಥದಾಯಿತು.
I think the player has hurted himself. I think the player has hurted himself. So all the players are leading towards the man who has got hurt and doing some quick first aid progress.
ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ನೋಕೀಗ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ನೋಕೀಗ ಜಾಲಿ ಐಸ್ ನೋಡು ಬರ
So we can see the bonding between the players in the field. The opposition team player has been hurted, and the two openers of Vidwar boys are leading towards the man who has hurted, and checking up the opponent whether he is good to play, and giving some confidence to the player. So this is what we call a good bonding after knowing he is an opponent, and giving a support. This is good sportsman spirit from both the openers, and we can see all the teammates of Sendidas are leading towards the man. All the teammates, the owners, the managers, everyone are inside the field.
Yes. Boundary 4. Okay, copied. Thank you.
Yes, and there is a signal by the umpire. The ball has been crossed the boundary line, and the runs has been upgraded with the boundary. The scorecard is on
4 runs.
4 for the loss of 0 with the completion of first delivery. So there might be a replacement of the player. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾರಿಗೆ ತಾಗಿದ್ದು? ಅಶ್ರಫ್ನಾ? This time it's a reverse sweep, no man's land. Rishan is behind the ball, and Rishan stopping that ball and getting back to the keeper with the 2 runs. The scoreboard is on 6. 4 more balls to complete the over. 29 is the target. 23 more required to win this match. Easy total for Vidwar boys. Not having more pressure. Sam, piece of delivery, having some pace on the ball, and having the first dotted delivery of the over.
Used ball, eh? दो चेस एक दो बस
Again Shiva, the striker wanted second, but Shiva having a striker in, just calling no for that second run, and making safer in the crease. Settle with a single. No hurry for the second run, because they've got 7 runs out of 4 deliveries. Now 22 more required. So they have
मैं भी काम के लिए को भी
This time,
Football boys अभी ये भी उठा देना प्रवीण शेट्टी विद्यान शेट्टी here watching the just to welcome them.
a warm welcome to the Vidwar Boys owners who are watching this match in this ground. Mr. Praveen Shetty and Mr. Vidyanand Shetty. So warm welcome to you, sir. To this prestigious tournament, Bliss Point Group BPL Season 1. The tournament playing for the two states. And your team is participating in this tournament, Vidwar Boys. And with a exceptional performance. To get more 21 runs to win this match out of 24 legal deliveries. So second over in progress. Over number 1 completed. The power play is completed. So no restrictions on the fielding placement. So 5 fielders will be outside the 30-yard circle. The 5 fielders are splitted up in outside the 30-yard circle. So one in the fine leg, one in the deep third man, just a left-handed batsman. Shafi, the right and left combination, which this is the same combination of the opponents. So Shafi in the non-striker now.
Start Shiva.
Shiraz bowling the second delivery of the second over to Shiva. The hard hitter is well-known player of Katil Friends. This time, look at that beautiful shot, landly safe, landed into the hands of the fielder Rishan. No mistakes, is taken easily. That was a good cricketing shot, but not able to clear the fence. So fielder founding in the deep square leg region. Mr. Rishan taking that catch, and the first loss for Vidwar Boys. Shiva moving back to the pavilion, and the new man moving to the center, replacing Shiva,
Captain Shabuddin.
the captain of the team, Shabuddin.
360-degree player.
Next match call करो.
So well known as 360-degree player.
Next match toss करना था.
This is the kids.
बुला को हुआ 2 बार कॉल हुआ.
I'm the fan of
Bliss Point और दुनिया.
crowd, right? So I'm kind of
अच्छा. चले दुनिया.
after 1 hour no bounce.
कहाँ से? दुनिया लेनी नहीं. दुनिया नाम में बात तुम्हारा कैसा हुआ? हमदान बैठे देखो हमदान. कहाँ है हमदान? हाँ बैठा देखो.
Third delivery of the over. Shiraz coming for the third time. Meanwhile, I call upon both the captains. Sam, good piece of cricketing shot. Stylish batting. Dealing with a single, coming up to the mark in the very first delivery. Shiraz bowling that low full toss delivery, just driving towards to the same fielder, to the deep square leg. Fielder Rishan collecting the ball, just landing back to the bowler to set for the third over. Third delivery of the second over. So top edge of keeper underneath, Tanveer is the man dropping the catch. I think this is his second catch which is dropped in this tournament. Yes, Tanveer. Even in the very first match, he has dropped the first catch with very first delivery. And again here, I think he is not having a good match in this tournament. He's not able to collect the ball. This is all because of the heavy heat. Tanveer having the jersey number of 275. Lucky number. ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಮುಂದಿನ ಪಂದ್ಯದ ನಾಯಕರನ್ನ ಕರೆಯಲಾಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಮುಂದಿನ ಪಂದ್ಯಕ್ಕೆ ನಾಯಕರಾಗಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಧೋನಿಯಾ ಬ್ರದರ್ಸ್ ವಿರುದ್ಧವಾಗಿ ಬ್ಲಿಸ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಈ ತಂಡದ ನಾಯಕರು ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಆದಷ್ಟು ಬೇಗ ಮೈಕ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಬಳಿ ಬರಬೇಕಾಗಿ ಕೇಳಿಕೊಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇವೆ. So 4 runs coming from that delivery to cross for 4 runs. ಬಂದರೆ ಬ್ರೋ So one more signal from the umpire. That's a boundary coming from the bat of Shabu, the captain.
Otherwise, you just tell that tournament organizer, Mr. Vishal Vishan with us. So, you want to say something? I will say something. Just, what's your name? Ziad. Just this point coin idea. ನಾನು ಆರ್ಗನೈಸರ್ team manager Vittal Rishan.
So we have Mr. Vittal Rishan, who is a big cricket lover, who is a manager of Vidwar Boys, and he is organizing a tournament. He is a big fan of Mr. Rahul Dravid. So he is organizing a tournament in the name of Rahul Dravid Cup. We like to hear some words from his.
Thank you so much, Mr. Jiyad. This is first time I am conducting here Mr. Cricket Rahul Dravid Cup in UAE, and many kind support people, they are supporting me. Already 16 big UAE teams are registered for this tournament, and this tournament will start on June 1st, and final will be on August 3rd, 7-star ground in Ajman. Thank you so much for this BPL tournament committee members and all the staff. Thank you.
So best of luck for the tournament, and we all know that you are a big fan of Mr. Rahul Dravid, who is known as the Wall of Cricket. Mr. Rahul Dravid is conducting a tournament, Rahul Dravid Cup. So the next match, the toss has been completed. The captain of Dhunia Brothers have been won the toss and choose to bowl fast. So both the teams get ready. The scorecard is on 22. 7 more required to win this match. So over number 3 in progress. So Bliss Point versus Dhunia Brothers will face on in the next match. Dhunia Brothers have won the toss and elected to bowl fast. Thank you.
ಹಾಕಿರೆ ಕಾಯಿನ್ ನೋಡ್ಕೊರ್ಲಿ ಕಾಯಿನ್ ಟಾಸ್ ಅಪ್ ನೋಡು 6 ಕಾಯಿನ್ ಉಂಟು ಹೆಂಗ್ ಟಾಸ್ ಬಿಡಿ नील जा ऑल द वे कजिन बट अभी नहीं वैसे बॉलर नहीं है
So 2.4 deliveries completed, 23 for the loss of 2 wickets. The second wicket moving back to the pavilion. The new man moving to the centre. One more hard hitter. Mithun moving to the centre. Mithun Shetty.
He's a big man. He's a big man after
One more the hard hitter of the tennis ball, Mr. Mithun Shetty, is well known in the team Cuddle Friends. Is now playing for Vidwar Boys in this tournament. So a lot of So you all know that we have one big legend in film industries, the Bollywood Mithun Chakravarti, same like we have Mithun Shetty in cricket industry. The new bowler bowling the third over, Ramiz. Just a single coming up to the mark. With that single, the scoreboard is on 24. Last ball of the over. Third over in progress. Ashraf Shahabuddin. No backup, but no opportunity have been taken because Shahabuddin was taking a long running and ended up with a single. With that single, Shahabuddin keeps the strike for the fourth over. 3 over completed. With the completion of 3 overs, the scoreboard is on 25. 4 more required to win this match out of 2 deliveries. 4 runs from 2 overs. Just required 2.00 required run rate. Aligram. The new bowler introduced Rishan.
ఉందా
Hello. Going for the second, definitely they'll complete that second run. So closer to the victory. 27 on the board, 2 more required from 11 deliveries. Shahabuddin in the striker end. So meanwhile, for the next match, both the teams get ready. The team which will be ball first is Dunia Brothers after winning the toss. So that's the end of this match. So congratulations, team Vidwar Boys are top in the table. So directly they are entering the semi-finals. So losers will have one more opportunity to play against the team which is winning in this particular match.